Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is gonna be a little bit interesting. We are going to be starting our vlogging series. So I don't know if you guys know this already, but me and my son moved into our first apartment. I am so happy. We are here right now. We're actually in my living room. I wanted to change my living room into my beauty room slash YouTube room, and then of course I'm gonna have like a TV. This is actually the wall that I'm gonna have the TV on, and then kind of where the camera is, I'm gonna have like a little futon. We moved on July 16th. That was the first day that we moved into my apartment. So I wanted to come at you guys with a quick little intro to kind of just like, you know, show you guys how I look glammed up, because when I was doing my little moving, I was barefaced, which I'm not ashamed of, but this is a beauty page. I sell a lot of beauty products, and I wanted to come at you guys with, you know, my full look, and also to just welcome you guys to the family. So we're gonna go ahead and get started into this vlog. You guys are gonna see us going shopping for boxes. You're gonna see us going getting a U-Haul, and I didn't get to show me loading the U-Haul or anything like that because I was so exhausted. I did most of everything myself, but I did have my neighbors downstairs. They actually helped move the stuff upstairs. Oh my gosh, that was such a lifesaver because everything was so heavy. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Good morning, guys. So I'm here with Malachi, and we're right here by Home Depot. We're gonna go get our boxes so that we can start packing our stuff, and then tomorrow is moving day. So we're super excited. He's been counting down the days, right?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
Really excited.
Really excited?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're both so excited, but we just feel so blessed and humbled that we can finally have our own apartment. But we haven't seen it yet, so tomorrow's gonna be the first. But they did end up painting it and putting new vinyl and carpeting on it, so it's like a fresh start, which is good because with everything going on. But yeah, we're gonna get into it, so let's go.
Hey, that's what other people say in other blogs.
So I had to put my mask on, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But we're walking into Home Depot now. It's kind of crazy because I actually used to work here, and I was in the flooring department. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I remember where. Oh, moving. Come on, Mally. So this is the moving area. So they got all sorts of stuff here, like, you know, those little shelves and stuff. I really want to. They have these little shelves you could put in your closet. I might get those, but I'm like a do-it-yourselfer, but I've never been able to because I haven't lived on my own before. Like, usually I'm living with other people and they have rules, you know, so. But this is so exciting. So we're about to get these boxes, and
What's this?
that one is a medium box. You know what? We need a basket. What am I doing? Basket, as you can see, it's like a really wobbly one. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. But there's Mally. So we're about to get these medium boxes and small boxes, probably for like his Lego toys and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those, and then I'll show you guys my cart so we can check out. All right, we're here at self-checkout so that we can check out the boxes. I got a few smalls and mediums and stuff, and then some tape. If I need anything else, I'm not sure. So we're gonna go ahead and scan that and then put it in the car. Always wanted to do these. Here, Mally, you can scan it, and then
Where do I
scan right here. Back up. Stop. All right, this one.
I like doing that.
This one. Good job.
I want to work here because I like doing this.
Yeah, scan this one. Good job. Awesome. All right. So good. I didn't spend too much. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to pay. Go ahead and put that back, Malachi. You gotta practice using hand sanitizer after using things at the store. Good job, honey. Thank you. All over your hands. Good job. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pay for this. All right, grab the receipt.
Shopping at the Home Depot.
Right there, honey. Right there. Oh. All right, you got the receipt.
All right, your receipt is gonna come out here, and your receipt's coming out here, okay?
All right. Let's go. Good morning. It's moving day. So I'm so excited because I am about to be moving today, and I have everything planned. I'm about to go get the U-Haul at 8 o'clock. I'm gonna see if my brother can take me, and then me and my son, we're gonna drive the U-Haul back, and we're gonna start packing everything in the U-Haul. And yeah, it's gonna be a really good day. I'm so excited. I can't wait for everything to just come together, because right now I have my beds. So I have my bed frame, Malachi's bed frame, my mattress, Malachi's mattress, and let's see what else. I got his bedding. I have a blanket for me, but I need like sheets and stuff, so we might have to go to the store. And then I got most of our stuff packed. A lot of my stuff is like in containers and stuff, so it'll be easy to kind of pack away. I'm probably gonna have to buy maybe a few more boxes later on today, but luckily we don't move until we don't have to be there to get the keys till about 3 p.m. So we should be good. Time wise, I want to try to leave by like 1:30, because it takes like an hour 30 or an hour 10 to get over there. So I just want to make sure we get there like as early as possible, because we do have a time limit on the U-Haul. We have 12 hours, so I have to drop it back off before 8 p.m. and that's a good time, because I don't want to be driving super late, like, you know, back home. We're gonna be tired, so, you know, I just wanted to, you know, have enough time to get everything together. So hopefully that made sense. So yeah, so I have it all planned out today. I'm super excited. But anyway, I'm about to take my NutriBurst, 1 shot every morning. Sometimes I take 1 at night. It does say to just do it once, but you don't really overdose. Like, it don't hurt you. It just flushes out of your system, because it's all natural vitamins, everything. So yeah, but I never realized doing this arm thing, that's what them vloggers be talking about. Okay, so yeah, so I'm about to get off because my arm's hurting, but I did want to show you guys my little shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this here. Oh, that works. Look at that. I got the little prop on my thing, and it's sitting on my car. So I got my little NutriBurst shot. All right, y'all, so finally I'm in the U-Haul. I'm really just kind of scared, because she told me it was the first truck. But y'all, look at this, because I literally am so close to that front truck and that back truck. So I'm gonna have to figure it out as far as trying to maneuver it, but we gonna see, because I ain't trying to ding it. Oh my God. So, and it looked like she busy, so I don't know, like, my lips so dry. We gonna try to move it. I don't know. I really don't feel comfortable, because I can't even back. I'm gonna have to ask her if she can maybe move the first truck. Okay, so I just asked the lady if she could have them move the truck for me in the front, so they're gonna bring somebody out. So I'm just headed back toward the truck. But oh my gosh, this is so much work. I've never moved like all my stuff before, like by myself. My son's at home with my brothers and sisters and my dad. I don't know if he left for work yet, but man, my son would have been bored. But anyway, y'all, I'll show you when we start getting things packed into the U-Haul. And then again, we're gonna be getting to my apartment by 3 so we get the keys. I also gotta get a cashier's check or whatever, so I can pay them the first month's pay the first month's rent, and then also pay the other half of the deposit. So yeah, I'm tired, y'all. All right, guys, I finally packed up the U-Haul. I'm so exhausted right now. Malachi's sitting in this car seat, strapped up, ready to go, and we're about to head over to our new apartment. It's gonna be a long drive, so we're gonna go ahead and get on the road, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Y'all, we're running so late because the place closes at 5. And we need to get these money orders, and it took forever to get these money orders. Oh my gosh, y'all, like crazy. Oh, we about to make it though. We about to make it. We're here. We're finally here. We're here at the leasing office. We gotta hurry up though because we only got a few minutes, but we're gonna be doing our truck.
What's up?
Yeah.
Hey.
We are so excited, y'all, but we gotta hurry up. I just want to give you guys a quick update that we did make it, and we're here at the leasing office right now. So we're about to walk in, and we're gonna go ahead and get our keys. All right, I'll see you guys. Got them. We're already in here.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited. This is our living room, and we got a little porch deck area, which I like this because it has like wood. Like, I'm so glad that it will block, like if he's playing with a ball or something. And if you guys want to kind of see like what's outside, there's like kind of grass and stuff.
Hey, look at this.
And then there's a little storage closet. Malachi could sleep in there. Just kidding. So
Don't
there's a
make
little
me sleep in there.
storage closet.
Hey, you can put your plants over here, see?
And then we got our kitchen area, dining area. This is our kitchen. I do want to revamp these. I was thinking about maybe putting some contact paper on the little like wood cabinets. So this is kind of what the inside looks like. The lady was just here. She kind of did some inspecting of everything. Like there's kind of like a couple of like things she was seeing. Like there's like a little bit of like peeling going on and stuff. So I kind of want to cover this with contact paper, to be honest, and cover this with contact paper. So I've been seeing like a do-it-yourself people do that. So, and then we'll just kind of spruce it up, make it, you know, a little more, you know what I'm saying, a little more luxury. So this is kind of how the inside looks. The washing machine's not like the cutest, but you know, it works. And then here's our fridge and freezer. Ooh.
Hey, it's cold.
Is on, sweetie.
I didn't know it was on.
Here's our oven right here. So I can't wait to get down. I think this one's new though. This is a nice little oven, so that's nice. And then of course some more cabinets, drawers. Yeah, once I make these like look a lot more cuter, I'm gonna definitely do another video of kind of like our full furnished apartment. But that might not be for a while because we gonna have to get everything done. We gonna have to get the living room together. I gotta get a TV for the living room and whatnot.
My TV?
You have a TV, Malachi.
I know.
So this is the this is like the storage closet, so you can put like your linens and towels and stuff in here. So this is Malachi's bathroom. Malachi has his own bathroom.
Yay!
So we gonna make this kind of like a little modern, but maybe with like some blue.
Blue, my favorite color.
Yeah. So here's Malachi's bedroom. So we're gonna make this basically we're gonna have like his bed made and stuff. Here's his closet. Go in the closet. Bye. We're gonna go see my room. Well, first we're gonna see my bathroom. So my bathroom's kind of the same, a little more storage and stuff. Oh, I cannot wait to get this all together, yeah. And then here's my room. So this is kind of like how big it is. I have a queen size bed, so I'm gonna make that. And then of course my mirror here. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I cannot believe we finally made it to our new apartment. Like, I finally did this. Like, and I just want to thank God so much that we were able to do this. Like, to be honest, like, God really helped me with budgeting and just being able to stay focused on my goals for 2020, regardless of the pandemic going on. And I'm just so grateful, to be honest. So anyway, so that's our little apartment. Little Mally over here. You know, he excited, but we gotta unload this truck. So we're gonna go ahead and unload the truck, but I'll see you guys in my next video. So say bye, Mally.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace. Just like Game with a Cat. He says peace.
Peace. All right, guys, so that was my very first vlog. It was so much fun being able to record it. I actually recorded it on my iPhone 11 Max Pro. So if you guys are interested in seeing my unboxing video, that had the most views on my channel, and it got me up to my 100 subscribers. So again, thank you guys for the 100 subscribers. Let's keep running those numbers up and sharing my channel, because we're gonna be doing a lot more things on this channel. I want to be able to do whatever you guys want me to do. I want you guys to comment below what you guys want to see next. I did this look on Facebook Live, so I don't know if you guys can see the glitter, but we actually did that. If you guys want to see me recreate this look, maybe I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. I know somebody mentioned in one of my other videos you guys wanted to see a car tour, so I'm gonna work on that. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.